Hi everyone. I hope you have a good holidays and a happy new year to you all. 3 weeks ago I made this mini envelopes paper clips and people seems to really like it. So and someone actually suggested that I make a mini book cover paper clip. So this is the one that I come up with. I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the actual books. So all I need is I scan the book cover and I created a template and then I print it on an A4 paper and just trim it out. Here you go. Isn't that cute? A little mini book cover paper clips to go with your books. Let's find another page. And here is another one. How cute is that? So let's start with this. This is the book that I've scanned and I printed on an A4 paper, and I have provide the template in the description, so you can just click and download it, so you know the placement and the size of the paper you need to make one. So all you need is a standard size paper clips. This size is 10.5 centimeter by 8 centimeter. Like that, and fold it in half just like a book cover. Then put your paper clip like this. I'm just going to fold a little more. Okay. And then just tuck this flap in here. It's very simple. There you go. you like that, and thanks for watching. Bye.